Don't forget, guys, time is running out on our pre-order shirts. We have our white shirt, the long night sleeve to win lights, WAB Motorsports logo on the front, and as well as our Christmas shirt. All I want for Christmas is my Mopar, and also the WAB Motorsports logo on the front. So go check out wabmotorsports.net today and get your orders in while they can. The orders will end on the last day of November at midnight. So go check it out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are going to the Cruisin Oklahoma race down at Thunder Valley this weekend, where we're going to start off in Chandler and we're going to drive 100 miles in the car, and then we're entered in the soft tire class, which is a heads up, 8th mile, run what you brung, pretty good open rules, 4/10 pro tree, and we're going to hopefully be able to go some rounds in it. It'd be nice. I know there's going to be some fast cars there, but I feel like if we can get to the 330 really fast, faster than we usually do, should be pretty good. So, change the nitrous kit up. It's actually got a 200 shot pill in it now. Drained out all the pump gas out of the fuel cell. Got 116 for that. Also, fresh bottle. And we also got 2 bottles waiting just in case. Turned the alternator up a little bit, so now the battery's actually charging at like 16.1 because it's a 14 volt battery, and before it was charging at like 14.7, 14.6 with everything on. So it was basically, you know, a freaking battery maintainer. But we got that turned up now. Everything seems to be happier. So we're gonna try our luck. Still gotta get everything loaded up. We're gonna trailer the car to Chandler and then unload it and, you know, do the 100-mile cruise and hopefully go some rounds. So let's get all this stuff loaded up. All right, guys, we made it out here. Made it to Chandler anyways. Then we got a 100-mile trip. We got to make it to Thunder Valley, and there's an ass load of cars here. It's really cool. Yeah, and the place we're at's actually really cool too. I'll get some pictures of it. Fucking phone. Nope, it's just staying like this. We ride till dawn.
morning! What is this? What is this? Sir, speed it up. I don't know slow, okay? Let's move it. 65 now, all right. Doing a little better.
This is probably the roughest road this car has ever been on. Jesus, Ryan is so mad. Gas brake go. Well, we're at Thunder Valley. Made the 114 mile trip. My back hurts. Let's get a thicker pillow for that. Yeah. Well, we made it to Thunder Valley. Put new plugs in the car and made the 114 mile cruise. They've already ran one class and they've called up soft tire to the class, so we're in the lanes. We're 10th pair, right lane, so she's pretty hot. We'll see if we can get down. All right, so we drew 10th pair, right lane. The guy that we drew didn't make the cut. He didn't make the show, so I think we got a buy run. So we're gonna light the candle, see what happens. Well, we won first round by a technicality because the guy didn't show up, and but it went 664 to 100. It was scoop. Let me look. It definitely had the front tires up higher. Yeah, 664 at 100 mile an hour. 140, 60 foot, 421 to the 330. So definitely picked up, and we're gonna hopefully work upon that. Try to turn it up a little bit more. Well, your boy's kind of an idiot. Well, you already knew that. So went up for chip draw. We're 4th pair, right lane, and we drew probably one of the fastest cars in the class. That silver and red Mustang that's turboed. Oh boy. Yeah, he's gonna get a really good shot of a GoPro though. All right, 4th pair, right lane. Going up against, I think, Kyle Mason. He's a fast car. I am far from it. What happened?
I don't know, but they said it's all down the right side.
Everything wrapped around it, dude.
I got the fucking hoodie on it.
That should keep something.
Here, that helmet will sit right there. I just can't handle that fucking wind today.
That sucks. Shit. Well, we got it cleaned up, so bottle didn't get too awfully cold, I hope. I honestly don't even want to look at it. good. I just fucking lost everything. Oh
You're dry.
I'm not leaking?
Huh.
What the hell? It just shut off. Next to Big Chief.
Huh?
Next to Big Chief. Just
Next to be on that side?
yeah, on that side, yeah. Well, goddamn. What the fuck happened? Turns over though. The pull of shame. Damn it, it was riding. I think I might have known what happened. I got the ignition switch on and none of my gauges are working. It lost power somehow. But I got power to my switch, so it's something down there. It popped a fuse, I bet. Shit. Thank you. Holy 136, 60 foot. Oh, we were dead even on the tree. We 60 foot, the he'd have came around me by 330 though. He'd definitely come around me by 330. Oh well. It was fun. Bitch rolled out. So man, this thing rode out. It was, then it landed, and when I went to grab second, the car shut off. As you see in GoPro. It was a blown fuse. It popped the ignition fuse. Killed the whole fucking ignition, killed the car. So I pulled the fuse out of the lights, threw it in the ignition side, hit the button, popped right off, started, ran. Yeah, I got pulled back to the pits. So one good thing about being pitted next to Big Chief, you just say, I'm there. Get right to your pit.
There you go. $2 part.
That ain't even $2. That's like 30 cents.
If you buy them by themselves, they're $2.
Oh. It was a, man, I wish I could have, I wanted to know what that 8th mile was going to be. Because that was 500s faster to the 60 foot on the back tire. How far do you think it carried that wheelie? Well, it successfully made a 115-mile cruise, showed up, and pulled the biggest wheelie it's ever done, and went the fastest pass to the 8th mile it's ever done. Literally 60 foot the best first pass, and 60 foot even better. So, man, we're gonna load this shit up. We're gonna go and find something good to eat, because, man, I'm tired. Man, that's some bullshit. Would y'all quit making fun of me? They're convinced I broke something underneath the front end.
You did what?
I don't think it's broke.
Your fucking wheel is like this.
It's like camber life. So you see this tire, it's poking out a little bit, and it's not leaned in, but it's sticking that way. Well, if you look at the other tire, she leaned in and is straight. I think it's fine.
Yeah, look, roll with it, yeah.
It's a Mopar thing.
It's set up for Witty Wheelie, that's what it is.
Yeah.